Hey guys, this is not a review. This is basically just going over an overview of a cheap drone from Costco. My wife picked this up for me a couple of days ago. This thing actually is pretty cool. I've tried a few of the cheaper ones over the years, and this is the best that I've had so far. What does it come with? It comes with a SD card reader to USB. So yeah, it comes with the SD card reader. Actually, it's pretty good. It's solid. You can use that for other things. It comes with a tiny screwdriver for the blades, extra screws, extra blades, which are actually pretty strong. I took it in the basement, tried it out, and ended up hitting my finger on it, and they bend pretty good. They won't cut you up. And a large lithium-ion battery. I'll get the size on this thing. Is 1900 mAh at 7.2.2 milliwatts, and it is as thick as the case, so it's a decent battery for a cheap quadcopter. The few changes that they have on this controller, which actually feels and is solid like a PS4. I know with my older ones that you had to calibrate it by going up and down. You do that with this one, and then with the old ones I used to just push up to get it to rise up. This one here, you push this button once, it'll rise up, it'll hover at face level, and then you can move it to wherever you want. Right out of the box, I didn't even have to calibrate it or anything. So it does have software that comes with it, and it does actually have a camera on it that's supposed to be 1080p. I've seen some footage of people using the same drone, and it's Jello City. So yeah, I don't buy it for the camera. Buy it just to play with. It's got rubber on the bottom when you set it down. Folds up pretty good. Unfold it. At first when I got it, I thought I was going to break it when I was trying to unfold it, because these are very stiff. These ones on the top here feel like they're going to snap clean off. Oh my god. Maybe they are. I haven't found the lock on them yet, so yeah, maybe I got to try. Yeah, I got to do the top ones first, and then the bottom. There's your SD card reader slot. Didn't come with an SD card, which is kind of a bummer, but there's a slot for it there. You can adjust the camera somewhat if you want it for the camera. It's got lights in the bottom. It's got lights in the front. The front one is white. The front ones are white, and the back one is red. Yeah, not much more than what I just went over. Like I said, for 60 or 70 bucks, it's a good drone. The motors, I can tell you right now, they are not brushless. If they are, I'll be surprised. They're probably just those little motors you have in your phones. The motors that vibrate. Anyway, yeah, that's all they got in here, which is not a big deal because it's easier on the battery. Like I said, the minute I put the battery in, hit the button, and hit this button, it just took right off. And I'll leave a video on the end of the. Oh, on the end of the video, I'll leave a test video that I tried out in the basement. I'm not taking it out right now. It's wet, snowing, raining, and everything else. But that's actually a pretty cool toy. When it works, at least this one works. I've had the other ones that just right out of the box were terrible. You could barely. I had one that actually went up to about maybe 3 or 4 stories up, and just decided to take off. No reason, no rhyme or reason. Just I want to go this way, and took off. This one here is pretty solid. Anyway, later, guys. Oh, I forgot to mention, it actually does come with batteries, but I've already put them in. 2 here and 2 here, AAA. They actually supply Duracells. They're not knockoffs, so that's pretty cool.